Hey everybody, U.S. immigration lawyer Michael Ashoori here, and in today's video I have an important update for EB-5 investors. USCIS has recently announced that they will be increasing the filing fee for EB-5 cases, specifically for Form I-526. I'm going to get all into that in today's video, so make sure to stick around. So, as I mentioned, USCIS has recently announced that they will be increasing the filing fee for the Form I-526, which is the immigrant petition required to apply for an EB-5 visa. Actually, USCIS has announced that it will be increasing filing fees for many different types of applications. But I wanted to focus this video on EB-5 because the increase that's coming to the Form I-526 is extremely steep. So just to give you some reference, the current filing fee to file your Form I-526 is $3,675. And as of April 1st, 2024, that filing fee is going to increase to $11,160. And it's going to take place April 1st, 2024. The filing fee for the Form I-829 application to remove condition from the green card, which is also an application that's required for the EB-5 process, is also set to increase on April 1st. But again, for purposes of this video, I want to primarily focus on the initial petition for EB-5, the Form I-526. So if you're somebody that's considering filing an application for an EB-5 visa or going through with the EB-5 visa process, and you're looking to take advantage of the current filing fee, then you may want to think about acting sooner rather than later, because again, as of April 1st, 2024, that filing fee is going to increase from $3,675 to $11,160. Now, as I mentioned, USCIS has announced that they will be increasing fees for a multitude of different services, and we will likely be posting a video about that. So you may be wondering what the EB-5 visa is. This is an investor visa. It's basically an avenue for people to get a green card to the United States based on making an investment in a US business and creating jobs for US workers. To get into a little bit more about the details about EB-5, it requires that you make a minimum investment amount of at least $800,000, or in some cases $1,050,000, depending on where the business principally does business. And in addition to making that investment, you have to eventually create jobs for 10 US workers, and these have to be full-time jobs. And through the EB-5 program, upon successful completion of this process, you can get a green card for yourself, for your spouse, and for your unmarried children under 21 years old. There's a host of other details that go into the EB-5 process, and we have a lot of videos on our YouTube channel that go into the details. But the important message for today's video is that the filing fee for this process is going to increase substantially. And so for those investors that are interested in this process and have the means to move forward before fees are set to increase as of April 1st, it's something that you may want to consider to avoid that steep increase. So thank you so much for tuning into this message. Hope you learned from this video. If you know anybody that can benefit from this information, please feel free to share this video with them. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can stay in the loop with all the videos that we're posting. As always, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video.